Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the rifle is unloaded and safe. This is non-negotiable. Once cleared, secure the upper receiver in a padded vise and remove optics or accessories that block the handguard. You will begin by removing the delta ring tension, if present, and backing out T25 or hex screws with consistent pressure to prevent stripping. Make sure to keep a small tray for fasteners. This sets you up to access the barrel nut and contact points without bending or stressing the barrel. Once the initial fasteners are out, you focus on the barrel nut and clamp. Use an armor wrench to break the barrel nut loose while supporting the upper to avoid twisting the barrel. This preserves headspace and gas alignment. After backing it off, inspect for shim stacks or index marks and set them aside in order. Then remove clamp screws from the handguard body, keeping orientation and any lock washers in sequence. Doing this prevents misalignment when reassembling and protects your gas block and port alignment. You finish by separating the handguard from the barrel and gas block. Slide it straight off or spread the two halves according to the model to avoid scuffing the barrel. Once removed, clean and inspect the gas block, barrel nut threads, and mating surfaces for debris or damage. If the handguard is seized, apply penetrating oil, let it soak. Use gentle taps with a brass punch and heat the aluminum slightly. Do not apply excessive force. If alignment changes, reindex shims and retorque to spec to resolve fitment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.